ITS Tactical. Today we're going to be tying the handcuff knot. Now the handcuff knot is just kind of like it says, it's a knot to bind things. And to create this knot, we're just going to create dual opposing loops, which simply means an overhand loop followed by an underhand loop. Let me show that again. An overhand loop followed by underhand loop. And we're just going to stack those knots and reach inside from the bottom on the left hand side, from the top on the right hand side, and pull that through just like so. Very similar to the sheep shank, which we've tied before. But what this does, if I tie this correctly here, I'm just going to get this even on both sides here. I can properly demonstrate the knot. So what this gives you is a loop on the right side and a loop on the left side, or that would be vice versa for those of you at home. But what you can do with this knot, I'm going to turn it over so I can tighten it while it's on my hands. You can pull these two standing ends, or actually these are the working ends, and tighten this knot up like a pair of handcuffs. So this is a great knot to have if you're a hunter for binding game together so that they don't get away, or hauling something by the legs, or it's just great to have one of these already pre-tied with a piece of paracord or something for a temporary restraint if you happen to be in that line of work. So there you have it. This is the handcuff knot, and I'll tie it one more time just to make sure everyone has it here. So again, opposite loops, which look like this. Okay, then we're going to cross them. And pull into the handcuff knot. This has been the handcuff knot with ITS Tactical. Thanks for watching.